to fucking snipe at me again, and I shot him again in his fucking face. Double headshots on that fucking idiot.
And his
Are you
fucking
dropping with
face.
Oh, I didn't even notice, dude. My bad. They already got a thing.
Help them finish that quick, then hop in the chopper.
I'm just gonna hop in the chopper. Abandon these dudes fully.